Welcome to Castaway Cay. It's just like being at Disney. They've got their own tram. It is paradise. And there's our ship. Welcome to Disney's Castaway Cay. And all these people here behind on the buzz, they're the lazy ones. We're walking down. There they go. So you can get a buzz down, or you can just have a wander down by the side of the beach. I'll show you that view now. If you don't get the buzz, or the bus, this is the way you can walk down. And that is what you see behind. Disney Dream. Welcome to the amazing Castaway Cay. This is Disney's exclusive island. If you are not on a Disney cruise ship, you are not coming onto the Castaway Cay. It's an amazing place. There are no videos, there are no photographs that can tell you how wonderful this place is. You have to go to witness it. If you ever get the chance to go to Castaway Cay, you must get off the boat as quickly as you can, get down to the beach and have such a relaxing day. It was just what we needed after a few busy weeks running around the parks, and we just had an incredible day, spending all day in the sea with the GoPro, taking lots of pictures, lots of videos, but none of them can do this place justice. It's just amazing, where we also had such a relaxing day. If you wanted to do some water sports, they are an option for you. They're an added extra, so you do have to pay for them, but you can do them. You can go paragliding, or you can on a jet ski, or you can just pay nothing like we did and just chill out around the beach, which was exceptional. There are a couple of restaurants on Castaway Cay. They're all free of charge, so it's like being on the ship. You don't pay for any of your food. All the drinks are free, apart from alcoholic, which you have to pay for. But everything else is free, and you will have the most incredible day, just like we did. One of the great things about Castaway Cay is the sea does not go very deep. You've got to go a long way out to get above, say, waist high, so the kids are all nice and safe. You can see Matthew here has got his life jacket on, just pottering around. He could stand up there if he wanted to. It does not go very deep at all, which is really good for the children. It means you can relax in a safe environment. There's a water park out there as well. Disney Castaway Cay has two big slides you can go down. You can just see them in the background there near the ship. You can go on them all day long. They do get a little bit busy, but later on in the day, when most people are heading back to the ship, get on them. We did them 2 or 3 times later on in the day, and it was incredible. And then we're just clipping through some pictures that we took of the day. It's just an incredible day. You go to Castaway Cay, you will have the most amazing day. So that is it. Our day at Castaway Cay is done, and it was marvellous. There are no words, no videos can say how brilliant today's been. What a place. Well, we're going to go back to the ship. We're one of the first on board on the beach this morning, and we're probably the last to get off the beach. Matthew's been in the sea all day long. It's been wonderful. that was our day at Castaway Cay. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Just click the little button down there and then you don't miss any of our future videos. The next video is the night time as we leave Castaway Cay, that, believe it or not, has got fireworks at sea. You must not miss them. Subscribe to the channel. Bye.